punishment niya. Sigilat kasi ang mga sapatos. Ito, okay. Okay. Sit down. I do tissue first. This is your punishment. Come. Lucky punishment. Come here. Lagi. Para magtanda siya. Come here. Sit here. Here, come. Come here. Sit. You can. You say sorry already? Say sorry to me. Say sorry. I need you sorry. Say sorry. You want sorry already? Still you want to do that? Bite the shoes and slipper? You want to say sorry? This is the punish. If you bite the slipper or shoes, must remember, huh? What you want to say? You want to say sorry already? Chicken. If you want to say sorry. Chicken. Want to say sorry? Chicken. Chicken. Say sorry already? Chicken. Chicken. Say sorry. How to say sorry? How to say sorry? Sorry? Good girl. Okay. Sorry already, huh? Yeah. Next time don't do that, huh? But you must to punish. To remember, cannot bite the shoes and slipper, huh? Okay? Look at me. Mommy's looking for you. Next time don't do that. Bite this one, huh? You see this one? All you bite. You bite my shoes. Daddy's shoes. This is the punish, huh? See what? Look at me. Don't guilty. Come here. You guilty? You guilty? Say sorry. Say sorry.